scaly breasted munia. Scaly breasted munia bird planning to enter his nest. He has made a very nice nest and he is going to enter his nest. There he goes. One has already entered, the other is waiting. Second one also. Oh, here he comes. Just waiting to enter his nest. Scaly breasted munia bird. Very nice bird. Second bird has also come, and now both the birds will enter the nest, male and female both. See how they will enter the nest. Male and female has come. Scaly breasted munia, male and female, they will enter the nest. They have entered the nest now. Yes, slowly they will enter their nest. Yes.